Hey guys, Jorge here from Speed Performance. Today we're going to show you the process behind our DI injector cleaning service in a time-lapse video. I hope you guys enjoy. Now, what we're going to do is test them at different operating pressures, which are 60 bar, 100 bar, and 120 bar. This is the flowchart that you will be receiving along with your injectors. What it does, it shows you exactly where it failed, exactly where it passed. If it did fail, we will contact you right before sending them out, since we do have clean cores in-house ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this time-lapse video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.